If you think kitchen gadgets are just extra expenses, think again because the right ones can actually save you money every single day. Today, we're looking at 5 kitchen gadgets that cut waste, reduce takeout, and make your groceries go further. First up is a vacuum sealer. This is one of the most underrated money-saving tools you can own. Instead of watching your meat, vegetables, or leftovers go bad in a few days, a vacuum sealer removes air and keeps food fresh up to 5 times longer. That means fewer trips to the store and less food thrown away. You can also buy in bulk when prices are low and store everything safely. Over time, this alone can save you a surprising amount. Next is a high-quality blender. Now, this isn't just for smoothies. A good blender lets you make soups, sauces, nut butters, and even oat milk at home. Think about how much you spend on packaged sauces or drinks every month. Making them yourself is not only cheaper but also healthier. After a few weeks, the blender practically pays for itself. Third on the list is an air fryer. This one is a game changer if you eat out often. With an air fryer, you can recreate crispy fries, chicken, and snacks at home using very little oil. It cooks faster than an oven and uses less electricity too. That means you save on both food and energy costs while still enjoying your favorite meals. Coming in at number 4 is a digital kitchen scale. It might seem simple, but it makes a big difference. A scale helps you measure ingredients accurately, which is especially useful for baking and portion control. No more wasting ingredients from failed recipes or overeating expensive items like meat. It also helps when meal prepping, so you stretch your groceries further across the week. And finally, a reusable food storage system. This includes things like glass containers or silicone storage bags. Instead of constantly buying disposable wraps and bags, you invest once and reuse them for years. Plus, better storage keeps your leftovers fresh longer, reducing food waste and saving money in the long run. So those are 5 kitchen gadgets that don't just make life easier, they actually help keep more money in your pocket. If you're building a smart kitchen, these are some of the best places to start. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart kitchen finds that actually make a difference.